Welcome back to the channel. I'm Denon.
I'm Tamara.
And today we're in this gorgeous park because I need to fix our roof rack. It is off kilter and my OCD is blaring loud and it has been bugging me. Let me explain. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Denon. Today I'm going to go ahead and fix our new roof rack and storage box. When it was installed, they did the nice thing of installing it close to the passenger side, but my OCD is kind of going off because it's off kiltered. I'll show you. I don't know why, but having this on this side of the van really bothers me. I'm tall enough, I can kind of get at everything. I think that I need to just adjust this and move it into the center so that it's, I don't know, more aesthetically pleasing for me. I know it's weird, but I want it in the center. So I'm going to adjust it. Hopefully I don't mess it up too bad. Apparently it's supposed to be pretty easy, so we'll see. Whew. So apparently all you have to do is open this up. And there's these little things right here that we have to turn, and that'll be able to adjust it. We'll move it, and then we'll lock it back in. Hopefully it'll be that easy. We'll find out. All right, so just have to twist this until that moves. Twist this. That's pretty simple. Pretty simple. So now, I have to get down and shift everything over. So this will be fun. All right. Nope. Put over Mac. Then I want to kind of shift it forward a little bit here. So that, there we go. There we go. I think that this is what we're kind of looking at. All right. I feel like that is more centered. Does that look more centered? I think so. Maybe just a little bit more over that way. All right. I think that's perfect. This might be a little bit on the tougher side because I got to get all the way over here. Oh, no, not so bad. There we go. Oh no. Oh, all right, I think I have it to the way I like it. Wasn't so bad. If I can do it, anybody can. It's centered. It looks so much better. And this way, I think that it's actually harder for people to want to break into it if they're on the shorter side. Because, you know, I'm 6'3", and I can get at it pretty easily because of my height. Perfect. How much stuff can we fit in our rooftop storage box? We still have a lot of room for our paddle boards, our Boxio toilet, our shower tent, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So we're not even at maximum capacity. This is one of the best purchases we've made for our little micro camper van. Recommend. Getting these roof racks and storage box has maximized our micro camper van storage capabilities to the point where we don't have to move so much stuff around to get at things, and that makes it easier when you're living in a small space part-time. The capacity of this storage box is 135 pounds. We will not be carrying 135 pounds worth of stuff in it, but it's good to know. And these roof racks, they're rated for 225 pounds. So we got a lot of leeway.
If you like what we're doing,
Please subscribe and click that bell. It would really help our channel out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.